Goggles? Not exactly plumbing tools, but hey, points for creativity. If your plumbing has a mind of its own, don't wait. Call the experts in. Sticky notes? Seriously? That's not fixing anything. You need a Postma for that. Haha! As much as we love s'mores, a campfire might be a creative solution, but it's not exactly a smart one. Let us handle your electrical safely and professionally. Plumbing, HVAC, or electrical troubles? Leave the creative fixes to us. No goggles, no sticky notes, and definitely no indoor s'mores needed. Just good, honest fixes for your home or business. For all your residential and commercial needs and the peace of mind you deserve, call Postma.